female Komodo dragons can reproduce without sex. These ancient beasts remind us not only of the prehistoric dinosaurs featured in the classic movie Jurassic Park, but their reproductive behavior harkens back to something highlighted in the film as well. In 2006, a group of researchers verified that female Komodo dragons can reproduce asexually through a process called parthenogenesis. When no males are present, females can still lay a viable clutch of eggs. It was females at 2 zoos, kept in solo conditions, that provided the eggs for the researchers to London's Chester Zoo and one from the London Zoo. Genetic analysis of some of the eggs from their clutches confirmed that no male contributed to fertilization. The females were both the mother and the father of their offspring. While parthenogenesis occurs in some 70 species around the world, this was the first time it had been confirmed in Komodo dragons. They're also surprisingly playful. So we've talked a lot about the ferocity, speed, grave robbing, and cannibalistic tendencies of these behemoth lizards. But we wouldn't want to leave you with an unbalanced impression. There's a softer side to them, sort of. It turns out Komodo dragons also engage in play. Captive individuals have been observed playing with shovels, shoes, and even frisbees. The way the individuals interacted with the objects was shown to be without aggression or food motivation, and can be considered play. Komodo dragons are known to cannibalize baby dragons. It may be amazing that female Komodo dragons can reproduce with or without the presence of males, but something that isn't quite so inspiring is that those little offspring might just be an easy meal. If other prey isn't available, or it just looks like a youngster would make a nice snack, an adult Komodo dragon isn't above snagging one for lunch. For this reason, young Komodo dragons will spend time up in trees, avoiding getting in the path of larger lizards. That's not the only behavior that helps keep them alive to adulthood. According to the Smithsonian National Zoo, because large Komodos cannibalize young ones programmed to avoid, young dragons also undergo rituals of appeasement, with the smaller lizards pacing around a feeding circle in a stately, ritualized walk. Their tail is stuck straight out, and they throw their body from side to side with exaggerated convulsions. Komodo dragons are originally from Australia. While famous for being from the Indonesian island of Komodo and surrounding islands, the Komodo dragon was first discovered in the land down under. According to fossil records, Komodo dragons, Varanus komododensis, moved out of Australia and made their way to the Indonesian islands, arriving on the island of Flores around 900,000 years ago. As researchers noted in a 2009 study in the journal PLOS ONE, Komodo dragons may have disappeared from Australia around 50,000 years ago, a disappearance that would have roughly coincided with the arrival of humans to the continent. They're surprisingly speedy. They may look large and lumbering, but these lizards are all muscle and can move with explosive speed. In an all-out sprint, a Komodo dragon can run at an impressive 12 miles per hour, 19 kilometers per hour. The average human sprints at just 15 miles per hour, 24 kilometers per hour. So, if you're caught by surprise by a charging Komodo dragon that was lying in wait for a meal, run like your life depends on it. Komodo dragons have been responsible for the death of 4 people in the last 41 years. Don't underestimate their speed just because of their bulk. That's Komodo dragon for you. If you found it interesting, show some appreciation by giving this video a like. And if you want to get notified anytime we upload videos like this, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching.